to my channel. I'm going to be doing another unboxing video, but this time it is school clothes. Okay, so let's open up this package. Have the same tool. Alright, good, we got this one. And I did order all these clothes from Children's Place. Sorry if I haven't posted for a while, I just got back from vacation. Okay, so I'm going into 6th grade and now I can wear hanky colors. Never mind. I forget what it's called. Like tan colors. Okay. So I have a long sleeve shirt. Feels like nice material. I like it a lot. Actually, I picked out this one. I picked out most of them, so. Alright, let's go. Alright, this is just another one of the same things, I'm pretty sure. We're just going to open it just to see. Yeah, it's the same. I think. Yeah, no, it is. Alright. This is what I was talking about. Same thing here. And it's another skirt. Has everything the same. I have gotten new ones because I had emptied out my drawers and I gave old school clothes away to get new ones. These are like for gym. These are shorts. They're really soft. Again, I get all these clothes from Children's Place. And I believe it's the exact same thing. See? Nope, my mom ordered these ones. They're longer ones. This, I don't know what this is. Let's find out. Oh, it's a skirt. And it has the same privileges, I believe, as the other one. Yeah. Has the adjustable. And I did get 2 of those. I believe, yeah, here's the other one. Okay. And I have a couple more things, but for the last thing that I'm going to be showing you guys, I want you to answer and comment my question down below. And I did get new shirts too. This is a long sleeve one, and it's really nice. Okay, and here's another one. And the other one's the same. I'm not going to show you guys that one because I want to speed up some time. And then for the last pair of clothes, it's just those long pants again. Okay, now let's get to what I was going to ask you. Okay, water bottles. I want to know which one you guys think would go better for school. And I'll show you my backpack so you kind of And this one says swag on it. Okay, and the other one has hearts on it. Now, I want you guys, first off, that subscribe button, notification button, comment down below which one you think would go better for school. Can't show them the backpack right now. I'm sorry, guys. Bye. Subscribe, please.